Hi everyone, it's Arlene from Arlene's Creations, and thank you for joining in today. I just want to show everybody my coffee and tea bar that I put together. I actually made it from 2 pieces of furniture and put 2 pieces of furniture together to make one. So I'll start at the top. This is just a tour of my coffee bar, and I do have a 2-part tutorial on how I actually did the furniture part, but I'll post them later. So that's the sign I made. It says coffee and tea bar, proudly serving whatever you make. So that's made with shiplap wood. And then my stencil that I made from my Cricut machine, and then just put the stencil on and painted over the stencil, and then ripped the stencil off, and that's what you have left. I'll just give you a quick tour here. That's an M. My last name is Mulhern, that I picked up from Michael's. It was $9.99. I got it for like 80% off. It was like cheap ridiculous. I don't like the colors of it, so what I'm going to do is I'm either going to cover it with some kind of canvas or burlap or something and make it look, you know, a little better. That cross I just got from the Dollar Tree today. That bunny is from Walmart. That egg in front of the bunny I made, it was just white, and I painted it brown and added some black speckles. This is actually one of my favorite pieces. This is a old-fashioned rolling pin that the cap comes off and you put ice inside of it so that when you're rolling your dough, you keep your dough nice and cold. I got that at a garage sale many, many years ago. I love it. I think I paid $5 for it. It's one of my favorite things in my kitchen. Down here on this shelf, I have these plates from Bed Bath & Beyond. They were $6.99 each. We'll have one in the dishwasher. I have 6 of them. And they were like 80% off after the holidays. I think I got each one for like $1.50. This jar I made, it's just a mason jar, and I hot glued some burlap and some twine around the top. I put this little plaster bunny on top that I got at the Dollar Tree, and I glued this carrot to him. These eggs are actually from Michael's. They were $5 for the bag, and I got them at 50% off, so $2.50 for the bag. The burlap behind the piece, I got at Ace Hardware. It was a big coffee bean or cocoa bean burlap bag, and I just cut the front off and I stapled it to the back of this hutch, like the shelving, so that if I ever want to take it down, it's not glued. I could just, you know, pull it off. This here I got from a garage sale. It's one of my favorite pieces too. I love the patina on it. I've had this for years and years and years. I don't even remember how much I paid for it, but I absolutely love it. I think it's what you use to cut the butter into the flour. I'm not sure. I've never used it. I just use it as a ornament. This I ordered on Etsy from a woman who sells old antique stuff, and it's a sifter, and I love it. I just stuck my coffee filters in there for now. This little bunny I just got from Kmart today. He's so cute. He was $3, but I loved him. This here is just an old crock that I had, and I put some burlap on it. Burlap. I'm tired, can you tell? Some chicken wire. I just attached the chicken wire all around it. This tin here was from Michael's, and it had, like, this one up straight, and it had a hook, so you can like hang it on a fence or something. But I cut that off and drilled a hole in it and drilled it to here because I want to put the flowers in it for every season. So it'll be poinsettias for Christmas, and it'll be spring flowers next week, and then summer flowers, and then fall stuff in the fall. So I'm going to always change that out. But the cotton stems I got from Michael's. It was $6.99 or $7.99, and I got them for 60% off. And these I actually got from my mother's tree. So now going down here is just the coffee machine. I have the creamer and what I hold my sweet and low in that in, and that my cousin Jason made. Jason Jansen, he does pottery and I love it. This coffee holder, it holds the grinds. I got from thecountrydoor.com. They have beautiful stuff in that magazine. If you're into this decor, you will love it. This was just a mason jar that I put the, what do you call it? The Ray Dunn inspired letters on it with the vinyl. And I put burlap ribbon on the top. This was just a little mason jar from Michael's that I put my honey in. This was a little white egg that I just covered with burlap and then some twine. This I got from Walmart, and I have my tea bags in there. This is the other piece that my cousin made. And I had the sweet and low in that in there. This tray, the silver fluted tray, that was from Michael's. I've had that for years, so for a very long time. So that's that shelf. Oh, these cups I got from the Dollar Tree. And I just hung them. I just put the hooks in the wood. I will be putting the Ray Dunn inspired quotes on the front of the coffee mugs. Not yet though. I have other projects I have to do. So now down here is basically just for storage, nothing really to do with coffee or tea. But I did put canvas drop cloth that I washed and dried, and I did put it on the shelving. And I just have a, this is from the Dollar Tree, and I just have cookies and crackers in there. Those bowls are from the Dollar Tree. I'm going to also put the Ray Dunn inspired letters. This is from the Dollar Tree. This I have a very long time from Home Depot. Got it on clearance. The wood down there is actually pallet wood that I got off of a front of a pallet from Ace Hardware. And I sanded it down, and then I stained it, and then attached it to the bottom with the liquid nails. And then the top here is common wood. They call it common board. And that's what I attached onto the top. I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 slats of it. And I stained it and, you know, sanded it, stained it, and polyurethaned it. So that's the top. Then on the side here, what I did was I had PVC pipe that I cut. It was gray. I spray painted it with the oil brushed bronze paint. And these are those teacup, you know, the cup holders. I spray painted them, and I just screwed them into the wood and then put the pole on. And it made a nice little holder for my, they call it a bar mop, but for my towel. So there you have it, my little farmhouse inspired coffee and tea little beverage center. Now, like I said, I do have a lot of footage and pictures and videos of how I actually took things apart, cutting the wood, staining, painting, how everything was put together. So I'm going to have, it's way too long. It's probably like a 2-hour video. So what I'm going to do is I am going to have to go through everything, edit it, and then do a part 1 and a part 2 if anybody would like to see how I took 2 hideous, really hideous pieces of furniture and kind of made one decent one. So I'm you know, happy with it. So thanks everybody for watching. I really appreciate it. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Please hit that notification bell. I have a lot of videos coming up in the end of April. A lot of DIYs for farmhouse decor. And also some soaping videos. I'm going to be making my Guinness beer soap. Showing everybody how I do that. And a couple of other ones. I'm going to be doing a baby shower. So I'm going to be showing baby shower ideas. The baby shower is April 14th, so I really can't post anything until after that, but I do have videos already waiting to post. So hit that notification bell. Thanks for watching. Everybody have a blessed day, and please subscribe, and I'll talk to you all soon. Bye, everybody.